Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. This is Bitcoin. This is crypto crash, Bitcoin crash, whatever you want to say. But the thing is, we're looking so damn beautiful. Okay, for me personally, it's beautiful because I was expecting this for a very, very long time. Actually, the prices actually moved up like this previously to 21,400, but I still was never convinced about it because to break the downtrend, I told you about the monthly a lot of time. I talked about the monthly in dozens of videos, that the monthly is what the issue. The monthly is what bothers me. The bear flag is in play. $8,000 is in play. Simple put. Okay, let's remove all those lines right there. And some few days ago I told you that yes, you're actually trying to pump up to 21,423, but the monthly candlestick hasn't closed. Even now the monthly has not closed just yet. We have 21 days, but my personal take is nothing more than this being your flag. And again, I'm always going to stick to this. It's a pattern, and it's something that I'm going to respect. And if you do look at the EMAs, you're under the 55 EMA. I never actually liked that view. So 10,000 is imminent, at least for now. I'm going to tell you the next technical target at the moment, but on a higher time frame, this is what I'm looking for, from the top there to the bottom, and this is where you're popping out of. Okay, so in the next coming months, yes, 372. That's the technical target. I don't know if it's going to continue lower or not. I don't know, but my take is going to be that could be the bottom, because this could be the first wave, second wave, third. You had the fourth one, and then you go for the last fifth one all the way down to 8,000. Make an ABC correction, bottom out, and then boom, push to the upside for 2023 and 2024. So it's an amazing opportunity, as I told you before. I still never invested. I only invested when Bitcoin first time came to 17,000. Those investments are amazing. They are still in profits. At the moment, this is what I'm looking for. You do have 3 black rows at the moment. You could have a small green candle today because it's Wednesday, and make a little bit of green candle and then continue even lower. So what I did see actually is maybe on the 1 hour time frame. I don't know if there's a pattern that I saw, or maybe on the 4 hour time frame here. So let's look at that. Yeah, so if you're putting in a flag right here on the 4 hour time frame, just like that, boom, and you try to make another flag right there, or a pennant, then we're looking for a technical target to go from there to there. And Bitcoin is looking to drop even lower, all the way down to 15,882, but I'm still going to remain with my price objective. Now this is a dollar cost average opportunities. Maybe buy a little bit right there, and if it goes by this is what I'm going to do. No financial advices. Please don't look at this video and try to buy anything. This is do anything at your own risk. This is just chart pattern reading. For me, this is going to be like first dollar cost average, maybe another dollar cost average at 12,000, all the way down to 8,000, because you never know if the prices are going to come there. You're not guaranteed that it's going to come there. So at least all we know is that we're getting amazing discounts and whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this Bitcoin update at the moment. See you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.